Hey, what's up, Cardano holders? So today we talk about the Cardano decision, my brothers. We are going to sell, we are going to buy, or what we need to do, my brothers. So everything with proof, my brother, I will tell you in this video. But kindly, if you are new my channel, so just click out the subscribe button. Absolutely, you will never lost if you subscribe this channel. My brother, first of all, as you can see here, the Cardano update. So Cardano update, as you can see here, the price update, first of all, 1.3 USD dollar, and this time the change occurring last 1 hour minus 0.16%. They lost just in only in last 1 hour. Otherwise, in last 24 hour, Cardano is completely and the profit. So that's all. If you can see, my brother, in last 7 days, you can see here percentage plus 9%, my friend, the price is increased. So that's mean to Cardano is moving in upward direction. And if you see, my friend, the last 1 hour, so don't see, my friend, the last 1 hour. This is short dump, and absolutely Cardano is one of the stable coins, so they cannot fails down. Definitely, my friend, after a short dump, absolutely they will take a very huge pump, and that's a reality, my brother. You can see here it's on the screen. Absolutely, this is with proof, my brother. After this jump, my brother, you can see they will dumps down, and after this dumps they will pump up. So this is the circulation, my friend. Absolutely every coin will moving in this circulation, and definitely, my friend, we need, my brothers, to win. They will moving upward, then absolutely holder are starting buying, and if a holder are starting buying, then they will moving upward. So definitely when they will moving upward and the price will be high, so then the holder, especially short term investor, they decide to this is selling time, and definitely they will sell it and they will fails down. So therefore, as you can see, my brother, this time if we just only check it out, my friend, the last 24-hour chart, so we completely understand to this time is good for buying or this time is good for selling. So let's see, my brother. First of all, I will tell you, my brothers, to kindly please, the giveaway is also coming soon now. So if you want to participate, then click the subscribe button and press the bell icon for videos notification. Hope, my brother, you will be participate now. This time, my brother, you can see here Cardano is completely in the profit. The arrows, as you can see here, first of all, I draw the first they touch the highest point, the second arrow touch the lowest point, and definitely, my friend, you can see here this is the circulation. This is the circulation. Definitely it's gonna be very good, my brother. After a short phase, the last arrows, you can see, my brother, is moving in upward direction, so that's clear to upcoming time Cardano will give you a profit. And definitely in last 24 hours, you could see here 1.32 USD dollar. This is the highest point, and the current price is 1.29 USD dollar. So I hope they will hit now again. Was the 1.3 USD dollar, but definitely tonight now. So thanks for watching, holder. This is absolutely buying time, and wait for 2 or 3 days, my brother. After that, you go now sell it. Definitely they will give you a profit. And absolutely, if you are a long-term investor, then don't see this before, my brother, before 2025. Please don't sell it. I hope in 2025 they will give you 10 to 15 USD dollar. So thanks for watching, Cardano holder. Hope you enjoy the video. Please like videos, subscribe this channel.